Hi there. Thanks for logging into our last lesson of our safety unit before we do an assessment. Today you will listen to me talk very little because you have a task to do on your own. We are talking about teen workers today. Safety is everybody's business, especially a teen worker. We don't want you getting hurt at work. So, all you need to do today is go onto Google Classroom and you will find a scavenger hunt. You will be looking through an article to find answers, and I believe in you. I know you can do it. So it looks like this, Safety Part 3, and it has a bunch of questions down this side that you need to answer, and all of them can be found at this link. So you're going to go ahead and click on the link. Click again, and it will take you to this article, Are You a Working Teen? So you'll be looking through this to find the answers. Now, looks like a lot, maybe, but I'm guessing you've got some time to get it done. So go ahead and give it your best shot. You can always email if you have questions. Once you have this all filled in, please submit it through Google Classroom. Thank you and good luck.